we'll guide you through how to use DaVinci Resolve templates to streamline your video editing process. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Once you're in, go to the top menu and click on the File option, then select Import, followed by Project. In the window that opens, locate your template file, which typically has a .drp extension. Select it and click Open. This will import the template into your project library. Next, navigate to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see the imported template in your media pool. Drag it onto the timeline to start working with it. You can customize text, colors, and other elements by selecting the clip in the timeline and using the Inspector panel on the right. This allows you to tailor the template to fit your project needs. If the template includes Fusion titles or effects, you can modify these in the Fusion page by selecting the element and adjusting nodes to your preference. For any audio adjustments, switch to the Fairlight tab where you can manage sound levels and effects. Once you're satisfied with your edits, head over to the Deliver page to render your project. Choose your export settings, like resolution and format, and click Add to Render Queue. Finally, click Start Render to export your video with the customized template. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.